welcome to the channel. My name's Ethan. If you enjoy this video, please make sure to go down below, leave a like and subscribe for more content just like this. With that out of the way, let's get straight into today's episode. Okay, so I've just got a little connector out of here. I had to replace the old one because it had some holes in it and I tried to weld it up and it didn't work. So I got a new little elbow there and then a barb fitting screwed into the elbow with just some kind of thread locker. And now I'm just going to cut this hose a bit shorter and chuck a hose clamp on it on this barb, and then the heating system's done. So I've now connected that all up. I cut the hose down and then pushed it over the barb and chucked the hose clamp on. I didn't want to over tighten the hose. But other than that, I've been doing a bit of wiring. So I've been doing a bit of wiring under the car, just over here. I've been rewrapping the whole rear loom, and I was putting the terminals in rust remover, just getting all the corrosion off of the terminals, just to make sure I had a good connection once I reconnect up the battery and try and start it for the first time. I've plugged in the battery a couple of times and a few things were turning on, like I put on accessories and the wiper motor and the little windscreen washer jet kept turning on. They wouldn't turn off as soon as I put on accessories, so I think I might have wired something wrong, so I've unplugged them for now, and that's what I've been working on currently. The lights, when I come on they come up on the dash when I turn the lights on, but for some reason the headlights don't turn on, so I'm still trying to figure all that out. But I'll give you a look at the wiring harness. So as you can kind of see here, it's a bit of a mess, but I've started rewrapping it like that. And then if you look up this end here, I've started getting all the corrosion off of these terminals. They're still not great, but they're a lot better than they were. They were pretty bad, like they're all green. And then I've reinstalled the wiring harness actually up into the cab, which I did so I could reinstall the driver's seat, just because it was annoying me having it in the way, and I've been trying to clean up the garage a bit. But other than that, that's about all. There's just lots of wiring, like I've got to sort out all this fuse box and everything. Okay, so that's all for this episode of Dusted Out 4x4. If you enjoyed, please make sure to go down below, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.